Alright, I brought the ultralight out just because it's funner. I did bring bread. I see those carp sitting there. Actually, I might try to catch one later on. Smallmouth bass fishing. This creek is so low. I might throw some bread in there just so I can get something to eat it. It's like 6 carp. There used to be only like 3. This creek is so low. I don't know about even fishing here. It's gonna be a bunch of babies. There we go. Fuck. Oh, the trout. Baby trout eating that. This video is looking kind of bleak, not gonna lie. Fuck. Took my worm. I could switch to the baby popper. I had hits in this section of creek on it, no hookups. Actually, I lost it like over in there somewhere. What was it, like last year, I think? Damn it, I wasn't paying attention. No way, I actually got one. And he stayed on. Not a giant by any means. But hey, we got a fish. I'm recording. I'm recording. I got off work like an hour early, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna fish. Go fishing. Oh, I got another one. About the same size as the other one. Oh, I threw my worm away. Thanks, bud. I needed that. Oh, 2 fish in the same clip. Let's go. There we go. Another little Glizzy gobbler. Another third smallmouth. Backflip. He jumped back out. I feel like that's all I'm gonna get today, but you never know. It's getting towards dark, those bigger ones might come out. I just casted this like momentarily. A big, not big, but a decent sized bass chased it all the way in. They just need to load it up in here. I see a bunch swimming out there. Let's catch all of them so I have a video. Fish number what, 4? I don't know. I lost count. 5. Right? I don't know. 4. I think 4. It's not the best video, but you know, sometimes it was using the ultralights. This is fun. Ultralights are always fun to use. Dang, they're going ham for this. There's a school of bass. There's a school of bass in here. They're all little. This is probably the biggest one out of all that. This is the biggest one of the day. A solid 8-inch fish, maybe 9. Biggest fish of the day, a whopping 8 inches. Here they come. Yeah. I thought he took my worm. Oh, there's a decent one right there. Oh, there's actually a decent one sitting right there. Come here. Oh. Bob, what the why didn't you eat it? I got a little one. How do you manage to eat the hook? We're going down. It's not the way I want to go. There we go. Okay, we're getting a little bit better. Maybe 9-inch fish, 9-inch. Worm's getting chewed up though. There we go. Little bugger. Another little bugger. It's like a microfish video. So shallow. I touched stinging nettles and now my hand stings. There we go. Another little one. He has friends chasing him. There we go. Another creek demon. Stabbed me. This one's a demon. It stabbed me twice. 3 times. Just 3 times. Yeah. There we go. This one's giving it all. This is the biggest one. Maybe a 12-inch fish. Probably 11, closer to 11, I'd say. Biggest fish of the day. Nothing too crazy so far in this video. Looks like it's gonna end that way too. Oh, I just ate a bug. Oh my. I ate a bug. Up the tracks. We'll get it later maybe. Can't pick it.